Keep on keeping on at God. Keep asking, you'll get it. Keep searching, you'll find it. Keep pushing the doors, you'll get through. If you don't ask, you won't recognize the answer. If you don't search, you won't remember what you're looking for. If you don't push the door, you won't know if it's been opened. Vra, soek, klop. Al 3 hierdie woorde is werkwoorde. Dis teenwoordige, imperatiewe werkwoorde. En in 'n eenvoudiger taal beteken dit eintlik iets wat noodsaaklik of dringend is. Dit dui op 'n bevel, dit dui op 'n opdrag. Dis wat God vir ons sê ons moet doen. Vra, soek, klop.